Deciding on a loan provider can feel overwhelming. Today, we're diving into Younited Credit, a European fintech company, to lay out the clear benefits and potential drawbacks. First, the pros of using Younited. Speed is a major advantage. Younited specializes in instant credit. Their fully digital application process means you can get an immediate, definitive response to your loan request. For certain requests, they can be incredibly fast. The quick, 100% online process is designed to be simple and requires far less paperwork than traditional banks. This seamless experience is why they've grown quickly across Europe. Another benefit is transparency. Younited offers fixed-rate loans with fixed monthly payments. They explicitly state no hidden fees and no processing fees on their platform, which is a big plus for budgeting and avoiding surprises. They offer a range of products, including personal loans and installment payments for purchases. The company itself is a credit institution supervised by the European Central Bank and is committed to responsible financing. Now for the cons. The biggest potential issue is regulatory perception, particularly outside of its core regulated market. While the legitimate Younited is an EU-authorized and regulated credit institution in France, there have been warnings from regulatory bodies, such as the Central Bank of Ireland, about unauthorized firms cloning the name and attempting to run advanced fee fraud scams. This risk of a clone firm can create confusion and potential danger for consumers. Always verify you are dealing with the legitimate, regulated entity through their official website. Additionally, although their process is quick, one of their methods to speed up the application involves securely connecting to your bank account to view statements. While this is regulated, some consumers may be uncomfortable sharing that level of financial access. So, is Younited Credit right for you? It offers a fast, transparent, and fully digital borrowing experience, but you must exercise extreme caution to ensure you are dealing with the official, regulated company and not a clone attempting a scam. Always double-check the website and contact details. Make sure the financial product is right for your needs before signing anything.